Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix apps that won't delete on your Samsung phone and how to properly remove unwanted apps quickly and safely. If the uninstall button is missing, grayed out, or the app keeps coming back, these methods will help you solve the problem step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Delete apps from the home screen or app drawer. This is the fastest and easiest method for removing most apps installed on your Samsung device. First, locate the app you want to remove from your home screen or app drawer. Now touch and hold the app icon for a few seconds until a menu appears. From the pop-up menu, tap Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. Tap OK to confirm the removal process. Your Samsung phone will now uninstall the app completely from the device. This method works for most third-party applications downloaded from the Google Play Store. Method 2. Remove only apps through Samsung phone settings. If the app is not deleting normally, or you want a more professional way to manage installed apps and storage, use the settings method. Open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap apps. You will now see a complete list of installed applications along with system apps. Scroll through the list and select the app you want to remove. On the app info page, tap Uninstall at the bottom of the screen. If the uninstall button is disabled, the app may have device administrator permission enabled. In that case, go to settings, then open security, go to device admin apps and disable permission before trying again. This method is especially useful for fixing stubborn apps that refuse to uninstall properly. Method 3. Uninstall apps using the Google Play Store. Another reliable method is uninstalling apps directly from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Apps and Device. Go to the Manage tab and choose the app you want to remove. Finally, tap Uninstall and confirm the action. This method helps remove apps linked to your Google account quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more Samsung tips and troubleshooting guides.